name is Sid. Alright, so we're going to start. So may I call on our first candidate. So please step forward, candidate number 3. Stage, please. Hello, mic test. Hello.
No. Good afternoon, everyone. For me, doing nothing is
Okay, next candidate. Let's proceed. Candidate number 5.
Number 5. Good afternoon. Answer goes this way. Doing nothing makes you feel like being nothing. It was just big anticipation you are having an examination where you received the highest grade, but still you cheated. You're just an irresponsible person to be proud of yourself. Being lazy is not that good enough to be brave for yourself. That's all. Thank you.
Thank you, Let's proceed to candidate number 1.
Being nothing is doing nothing. As of now, as we all know, our situation is so very hard for us, especially in all the students that's schooling here in the CC. So, now for me, I would rather encourage my fellow students that we need to study hard. It's because studying is the most important of our life. I compare it to being nothing is doing nothing. We need to study hard. It's because this is our key to go in our life to be able to success whatever it is. Thank you.
Thank you. Candidate number 1. Let's proceed to candidate number 8.
being nothing is just like doing nothing. For me, doing nothing is like cheating a test. Because even though you have some knowledge, but sometimes you don't use it. So being nothing is so. Being nothing is just like students has laziness in their class. So if you don't want to be nothing, prove yourself to be that you have something to show. That's all. Thank you.
Thank you, candidate 3. Let's proceed to candidate number 2.
Doing nothing is just like being nothing. It is because we all know that we are not all perfect. just to success and achieve our goals. And that is all. Thank you.
Thank you, candidate number 2. Let's proceed to candidate number 7.
Being content is just doing nothing. This is simply being ignorant. If you are doing good in your school and not being responsible for all the tasks that are given to you, and you are not well disciplined and not doing good projects in your school, just like doing nothing right in your family. It's just being sad that your parents aren't proud of you because they do what they can do to make you at school, and that's what be the best for you. That's all. Thank you.
Thank you, number 7. Let's proceed to candidate number 4.
Doing nothing is like nothing. For me, doing nothing is like nothing. Example, if you are a group member and you don't cooperate, the result of your group activities will you will not appreciate because you do nothing. So thank you.
Thank you, candidate number 4. And now, last but not the least, candidate number 6.
Once again, good morning. And my answer goes this way. Doing nothing is like being nothing. It means that a person who are not doing something to reach his goals is like one tamad who are only waiting to fall, who are only waiting for the fruit to fall. If we have something to achieve and if we have dreams to achieve, go for it and fight for it. Believe in yourself and trust God, because I believe that without God we are nothing. Just like in our education, we have to pursue in our education because I believe that education is the key to success. That's all. Thank you.